Hello and welcome. This is what I do when I don't feel like doing anything and I'm stressed out. I pick out a painting that I might have done and I didn't like, and then I redo it while I'm watching some crime shows or watching some tarot or watching some knowledgeable stuff on YouTube, something that I can learn from. That's what I do. So I hope you enjoy my little painting here. It's very simple, but it's colorful. And sometimes we just gotta throw paint on a canvas and see what comes out. Anyways, hope you like this. I'm gonna put some music to it, so enjoy. God bless.